It's been consistent and going up every day. We are in the middle of a surge here.
Arizona dealing with what experts describe as a surge in COVID-19, similar to what we saw at times earlier this year.
The recent trend taking a big toll on schools. More positive cases, more students ordered to quarantine, and more sporting events canceled, all creating new concerns about what could come next.
ABC 15's Zach Crenshaw is live. And Zach, a lot to follow tonight.
Yeah, a lot of cases across a lot of districts. Starting tomorrow, the Wilson School District here in Phoenix will be the first in Maricopa County to go back to virtual learning. But based on the numbers, guys, it may not be the last.
Students at CASTEEL High School in Queen Creek streamed back into class last week. Now, 102 kids are in quarantine after 5 caught COVID.
As cases start to rise a little bit, it becomes more concerning.
And David Hines, who oversees Arizona high school athletics, is concerned.
Numbers have been going up.
2 Gilbert schools, Desert Ridge and Highland High School, now have a dozen cases each. Sources say some are athletes.
We're in a tenuous situation. We could get shut down at any time.
I'm not saying it's time to pull the plug on it, but these high school teams do not have the resources that the NCAA has.
Former State Health Director Will Humble follows the numbers.
We've had a steady increase in the number of cases.
He believes the governor needs to mandate masks statewide, and counties need to crack down on businesses disregarding safety guidelines.
The policy decisions drive the human behavior. The human behavior drives the replication of the virus. The replication of the virus drives hospital admissions and deaths.
Experts say for some areas, it's already late.
Queen Creek is really hot. It went from 14 cases per week as they opened up, and now it's at 140 cases per week. At this point, it's gone vertical.
Statistician Mike Norton has been dissecting the data dashboard.
The county refuses to share that data with the school. So right now, the county will tell you about 83 cases where students are infected in the county, but in the last week, almost 800 students were infected in this county.
If things get worse, school outbreaks will push even more students from the class to the living room, something many families can't afford.
Just can't do it and go to work. It's just too much.
Now, Mike, who you just heard from there, is extremely critical of how the county health departments are handling COVID in schools. He says instead of proactively alerting districts when a student is infected with COVID-19, the school districts are waiting until a parent or student notifies them, if they do at all. Live tonight, Zach Crenshaw, ABC 15, Arizona.